Ladies and gentlemen, Marina Pearson.
Now, Marina has managed to get her own style across, which has a bit of humor and where she actually laughs at herself as well as laughs with clients and readers.
The skills she teaches in Goodbye, Mr. X means that everyone who has ever encountered heartbreak can learn to do the same. She brings her personal experience, her wealth of study and knowledge, and her light and compassionate touch to a book that is so needed by anybody who truly wants to say, Goodbye, Mr. X.
This helps people, this serves the world, this enables people to get over their exes and move on and live their lives fully. What greater gift can you give people?
This is about her journey and all the experiences and everything that she's been able to bring from all that coaching that she's done with people and all that help that she's provided to women in particular to get them through those relationships. Her knowledge is immense.
And yeah, to all those wonderful exes, because quite frankly, without them, I wouldn't have a book. They provided some phenomenal content. I dedicate an entire chapter to gratitude because I believe that gratitude is the key to transformation. Gratitude goes beyond acceptance and beyond politeness. It is a feeling of complete grace. I believe that if we really practice the art of gratitude, there will be no wars. Your ex will also stop living rent-free in your head, as you will start to see him as he truly is, not just as you see him. What can you do today to bring more balance into your life for tomorrow? Now I know, there's probably a lot of answers to that question, but one of them is to buy the book.